So where were we? Oh yes, you were holding your breath.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday right now. It's currently 7:30 a.m. I'll put the date on the screen for you. I am just on my way to swimming with my friend. So yeah, I thought I would just do a super quick check-in. I've just finished editing last week's vlog and I have noticed it is extremely short. I think it was like 8 minutes long, so I apologize for that. I didn't really do much vlogging last week. Hopefully this week will be better because I'm having my housewarming party on Saturday, so hopefully I'll get some good content then. But yeah, I have Macy and Archie have getting a groom today. I'm doing them separately just because I want to see how Macy goes being back at the groomers, because she hasn't been at the groomers since all of her kidney issues and stuff. So yeah, other than that, I also need to go grab one more item for my costume for the weekend and do some food shopping. I've got some washing to do today as well. But anyways, I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
I am not a princess. I don't need a prince to save me. I'm a queen. I can handle it myself. Diamonds in the sky, shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
I'm scary and I know it. Hey! I'm scary and I know it. Check me out. Check me out.
Hey guys, quick check-in. We just finished the Halloween housewarming party. This was my outfit. I was a clown. My makeup's all smudged now. It is 7:10 p.m. and the party started at 2, so I've had this on since like 1 p.m. ish. But this is what I did for my costume. More colourful. But yeah, I thought I would just show you guys what I did. I'm gonna go have a shower and take it off, and we're having fish and chips for dinner. So I'll chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Hey guys, a quick check-in. It is Sunday 29th of October right now. It's currently 9:45 p.m. We are just getting ready for bed. We're going to watch a little bit of TV, a little bit more TV, and then go to sleep. Just thought I would do a quick check-in. It's actually Morgan and my anniversary today. We've been together for 16 years. Half our lives we've spent together. And we've been married for 9 years now, so next year's 10. Crazy, right? We didn't really do much today. We had my family here until I think it was just after lunchtime they left, around lunchtime. Then we had like a chilled afternoon. Morgan played PlayStation and I was just editing on my phone.
I don't normally play PlayStation.
Yeah, he doesn't normally play PlayStation. And then what else? Oh, and then we got Chinese for dinner tonight, and rented a movie, but it was pretty terrible, so we gave up and didn't finish it, which is why we're coming to bed now. But yeah, it's been a pretty chilled day. We had a really nice night last night, or day and night yesterday, for the housewarming party. It was really good, really enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm going to end out the vlog here because it's the end of the week, so I will see you guys in next week's vlog.
Not the end of the week, technically start of the week.
Yeah, or the start of the week. I'm going to end out here and start my new vlog in my new week, which I start on Monday. So I will chat to you then. Bye guys.